Friday night, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you wanna come inside my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot to make the clubhouse appear. I get to say the magic words. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Say it with me. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, come inside. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, come inside. See how you are. How are you ready?